Want to clean up your custom sticker collection on iOS 26? With just a few taps, you can declutter your keyboard and keep only the stickers you actually use. First, open any app that brings up the iPhone keyboard. Notes, Messages, WhatsApp, Instagram, your choice. Next, tap the smiley face icon next to the spacebar to switch into emoji mode. At the bottom, you'll see a row of emoji and app icons. Swipe left or right until you reach the Custom Stickers tab. Here you'll find all the packs you've created or added. To remove a sticker, press and hold on its thumbnail until a small menu appears. Tap Delete from the menu, then confirm that you want to remove it. The sticker pack will vanish from your collection instantly. If you've got multiple packs to clear, repeat the long press and delete step for each one. And if you ever want to restore a deleted pack, simply recreate it in your notes or a shortcut and add it back to your stickers. That's it. Your keyboard is now tidy, with only the stickers you love. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, tap like, drop a comment with your top cleanup tip, and subscribe for more quick iOS tutorials.